everyone, I am Jayashree. Today I am going to teach you the topic on the symmetric and the asymmetric cryptography. So let's start with the symmetric and the asymmetric cryptography. Okay. Symmetric and asymmetric cryptography. Okay. So in the cryptography subject, there are two types of cryptography that are symmetric and asymmetric. So in this video I'm going to teach you what is symmetric with a diagram, so you understand how the process is working on the symmetric cryptography, and same as the asymmetric cryptography with the help of a diagram. And then there are difference between them, so you will easily understand what are the how are they work and what are they used for us. Okay, so this is what the symmetric and the asymmetric cryptography. So first I will take the point as a symmetric cryptography. Okay. Now what is symmetric cryptography? In symmetric cryptography, there is also called as secret key cryptography. Secret key cryptography. Note down. Okay. So the main point in a symmetric cryptography is that single key is used for encryption and decryption. This key are them. These are the key. These are diagram I told you before. With diagram I will explain, so you can easily understand what is the symmetric key cryptography. Okay. So these are the diagrams of the symmetric key cryptography. This is a single key. Okay. This is a secret key, but these are the single key, not a different key. For single keys are used for the encryptions and decryption. Means for encryption decryption purpose only one key they use. Okay, same key they use. Okay, so here you can see that is the plain text. Now I will start with plain text. So what is plain text is? Plain text means first of all understand plain text and then ciphertext. Okay, plain text means which are the readable parts. Now you can read any books. Okay, everyone can read the English books because everyone is known to that language. That is what the plain text is. Okay, now what is ciphertext? Ciphertext that is a reverse of the plain text. Okay, ciphertext it cannot read everyone. There is some code for that to read, so that is what the ciphertext is. Okay, so that's why plain text is important. Plain text is is the common that everyone can read. Okay, but not the ciphertext. So here we can see that the plain text is there, one note is there, one message is there, that encryption in the algorithm with a secret key, with the same key. But here they use a DS, that DS means the data encryption standard and AES means the advanced encryption standard, that I will teach you afterwards. But there is these algorithms are implemented, that is the DAS, and for encryption they use a DS, and for decryption it is a reverse of the encryption. Okay, so in encryption they use a secret key, one key they use. Okay, that is secret key, that doesn't know anyone's. Okay, only authentic person will understand what is that key, and then are then transmitted by ciphertext through an internet transmission medium, and then it go to decryption algorithm. But ciphertext means it plain text get converted into the ciphertext with the internet medium. Okay, the transmitted ciphertext and then go to decryption algorithm, means it reverts the encryption algorithm, and with the secret key. With the secret key means with the same key, only single key they will transmit. Okay, with the encryption decryption only single key they transmitted, and after that it go to the plain text, it go to the original node. Okay, that same node get transferred into the original node. Okay, now you can see this is what the symmetric key cryptography. In symmetric key cryptography, the single key is used for encryption decryption. Okay, but in the symmetric key cryptography, the main purpose is that the symmetric key is faster than the asymmetric cryptography. Asymmetric cryptography I will teach you after this, so you understand why it is so faster than the asymmetric cryptography. Because I will teach you that in asymmetric cryptography they are using two keys. The one for encryption, another one is for decryption. So that's why it is not that faster than the symmetric cryptography or asymmetric, but the symmetric cryptography is faster than the asymmetric cryptography. That's why, because it is single key or the same key is used for the encryption decryption purpose. Okay, so that you can convert the ciphertext plain text into ciphertext and ciphertext into the plain text. Okay, so this is what the now the problem here comes that The disadvantage is the hacker when interrupt in it. Hacker when interrupt. Then it is not possible for him to get this key easily. But if he got this key, then he got whole authority purpose. He can gain his information with a single key. That's what a disadvantage comes. Because in asymmetric cryptography, that becomes a two key, because they can't if they interrupt in the one key, the another key is there, so it doesn't get all the information. But in a symmetric cryptography, the one disadvantage is that if hacker entered in it, then the single key will get in it. Okay, the one key will get, the single key will get, then he can get the whole information. Okay, that is what the problem is there in a symmetric cryptography. Okay, this is what about the symmetric cryptography. Symmetric cryptography is also called as a secret key cryptography, and single key or same key is used for encryption decryption purpose. Okay, so and here we use a data encryption standard and advanced encryption standard implementation is used in the encryption algorithm and a decryption algorithm. Okay, so decryption algorithm is reverse of the encryption algorithm. So I hope you must have understood what is symmetric cryptography. Now let's go to asymmetric key cryptography. Asymmetric cryptography in this is also called as a public key cryptography. Symmetric cryptography is also called as a secret key cryptography. Asymmetric cryptography is also called as a public key cryptography. Okay, public key. So let's read the point. Asymmetric key cryptography use two keys, one for encryption and another one for decryption. Asymmetric cryptography use two keys. Okay, two keys, that is a public key, not a secret key. Note down that in symmetric cryptography use a secret key and asymmetric use a public key, but both are not a public. One is the public key, another one is the private key. Public key that everyone can encrypt the message, means okay, verify the message. Okay, but in a private key everyone can't do, because private key with the only receiver can do a decrypt a message and only verify the signature. Okay, this is what the public and private key difference. Okay, now let's start with diagram. Okay, this is the plain text which I told you. This is a readable note message. Now it is sender is this is sender and this is the receiver. Okay, I will teach in sender and receiver way. Sender is the plain text, is sending the message to the person he wanted to send. But here comes how the messages are sending to the receiver. But there are using security. That's what we are learning. Okay, so that we are using security because he wanted to send only this person. That's a private information. Okay, so that's why the problem is that a attacker doesn't attack this message. That's why we have to learn this technique, how the process is going on. Okay, so let's start with this. In plain text message, the plain text is encrypting the algorithm. The plain text is get encryption using a RSA implementation or a Diffie-Hellman exchange algorithm also can tell. Using a key that is called public key. Okay, then encryption algorithm, and then wise encrypting get in a ciphertext. The plain text is getting into ciphertext. That's why we do a encryption. If ciphertext want to convert into the plain text, then we are using a decryption. That's why the encryption decryption algorithms are useful for us. Okay, so plain text is converted into ciphertext. Ciphertext then go to internet, that is cyberspace, you can tell, and then after that it go to the ciphertext, and then here comes a decryption algorithm. But here they use a private key. Okay, doesn't use a public key, here use a private key of the receiver, so that the different key here, not the single key or a same key, but the different key. That's what the receiver can only verify this key. Okay, this is the private key, and then go to the receiver, that is in an original form, that is the plain text. Okay, this is how the asymmetric cryptography works. The sender want to send the message to the receiver. Sender that encryption convert into ciphertext by using encryption algorithm implemented by RSA, and then go to internet, and then ciphertext, and then ciphertext is converted into plain text by how the decryption algorithm, but here using a private key. Okay, but only receiver can verify. Okay, and then convert into the plain text and get the original message to that intended person. Okay, to the receiver person. Now here comes that the advantages is one, that in a asymmetric cryptography, that if attacker attack this want to decrypt that message, want to get that message, what the actual message, what the sender and receiver both of them are sharing, then if he got this key, then he can't he can't decrypt that message, because for decrypting the corresponding corresponding key, public and private key, so corresponding keys are required. So then only we can get the original content of this message. Okay, that's the advantages there. And we can see the disadvantages. Asymmetric cryptography is the little bit slower than the symmetric cryptography, because asymmetric cryptography they use a different key, much as different key, one for encryption and another one for decryption. But in a symmetric cryptography they use a single and a same key for encryptions and a decryption purpose. Okay, this is what the asymmetric cryptography. Now let's start with the difference, so you understand the all over the what are the pattern of this. Okay, what are purpose of this. This is the difference between symmetric cryptography and asymmetric cryptography. Okay, so let's start with it. What's written in the board? So in symmetric cryptography, single or a same key is used for encryption and a decryption. Okay, in symmetric cryptography, as I told you, the single or a same key is used for encryptions and a decryption purpose to convert the plain text into the ciphertext. Okay, so here uses same key, that is secret key. Symmetric cryptography is also called as a secret key or a private key. And asymmetric cryptography, two keys are used, one for encryption and another one for decryption. They use the two keys. Okay, and this is also called as an asymmetric cryptography, is also called as a public key cryptography. Okay, and here either use mathematically. You must have to note down this mathematically, because this mathematically sometimes some problems comes and you must have to solve by this mathematical form. Okay, by this formula, the P is equal to D. D means decryption, the K means key, and E is the encryption, the plain text, decryption the key, decryption the this whole part using a key. Okay, and P is equal to decryption, KD means the key, that is decryption key, E is the encryption, the plain text by using the encryption key. Okay, and here for example here use and for implementation the symmetric cryptography is an AES advanced encryption standard, DES data encryption standard, and here use a RSA algorithm or a Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm is used for the implementation the asymmetric cryptography. Here symmetric cryptography, one note also write like here use a more less resource here use for the work purpose and than the asymmetric cryptography, but the asymmetric cryptography use a more resource. Okay, and the one point is again is that symmetric cryptography is faster than the asymmetric cryptography. Asymmetric cryptography is slower than the symmetric cryptography. Okay, this were the 2 important points you can also add in your difference. So please, I hope you must have understood what are symmetric and asymmetric cryptography. These are the two types of the cryptography, so of the subject cryptography and system security. Thank you very much.